Good morning. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Doug here. Hey, 347 450 edition. This one has been painted black. These motors can be done any way you like. This one happens to have an alternator only on it. This has a rear sump oil pan. We can put front sump. We can put dual sump on there. Whatever you need for your car, that's the way we want to build your engine so you're not tearing anything apart. This happens to be a carburetor. We prefer fuel injection. But again, if that's what you want, we'll build it for you also. So again, if you're interested in any one of our packages, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Peace.
Oops.